Welcome back, guys. So we're going to create our project, and by the way, I am followable on Twitter at Maranatap. So let's fire Xcode. We're going to create a new project, single view application. Click next. We're going to call it iTube. Next, make sure you uncheck all these three. Make sure you check source control. Now here we're going to change our status bar style. We're going to make it light content, so application.status bar style equals dot light content. Now head over, click on the project here, head over info. Once you are in the info, add a property, go at the very bottom of the list, and here just set it to no, like that. So now we've changed our status bar style. We're going to change something in the storyboard, the size. We are going to develop only for iPhones, not for iPads. So click on the view controller, and here uncheck use size class, disable size classes. So remove this view controller and drag a UI table view controller. Go to the editor and embed in navigation controller. Make sure you make it initial view controller. Like this. You go here to the attribute inspector and then check is initial view controller. So now click on navigation controller and open this, or is it called document outline. Click on, make sure you click in here and then click on navigation bar tint. You can put whatever color you want. I'm gonna put this color because I love it. So if we run our app, we should see the status bar style as white and this. Please bear with me a moment because it is just opening the simulator. Here we go. So this is our app for the moment. So see you in the next video. We're going to customize the cell for the videos. See you guys.